Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to make taco flavored bean sprout soup. And it tastes just like tacos like you might buy at Taco Bell or some sort of a fast food restaurant, but it's actually healthy. So you go buy yourself some bean sprouts, or maybe you are a sprouter yourself. But if you don't have those ready, you could just go to the store and buy some of these mixed bean sprouts and dump them in your pot. In this case, I'm using a slow cooker. And then you put all these spices in there. Let's start with some sea salt. I have the gray sea salt. Just like a pinch of that. And let's give it some pepper. And I'm going to add some cumin. This is optional, but we'll give it some extra oomph. And also optional, some coriander. And also optional, because I love spices so much, dill. But what gives it the taco flavor will be this oregano. And if you really want it to be Mexican-y, get the Mexican oregano at your health food store. And now comes the spices, the spicy spices. Paprika. You can put a pretty good amount of that, and I did. And chipotle, I would not put too much of this. That's good. And a little bit of cayenne, and you might want to just use your finger with that, maybe a couple of fingers of that. And if you're a crazy hot lover, you might want to add more. But that is pretty much it, except for the water. Sorry, I forgot the garlic. And I forgot to take a thumbnail. I want to show you another cool thing that I got for my health that I'm really enjoying. These amber warm light bulbs. Some of you may already have these, but I really didn't know about them until someone at the health food store started telling me about the blue light. And I remembered, oh, I used to have those blue blocker sunglasses, you know, and it looks really cool outside to wear those. It's just like relaxing for your eyes. But the truth is that if you're outside, the sun emits a degree of ultraviolet light that offsets the negative effects of the blue light. And so that's kind of just how natural things work. There are pros and cons, and if you do things naturally, then everything works out in the end, to say it simply. But an LED bulb, which is what you're looking at now, these LED bulbs, they emit a lot of blue light, but they don't emit any ultraviolet light, so they're supposed to not be very good for your eyes, and we use these at night a lot. But I'm going to show you what these Neporal amber warm light bulbs look like. So there you can see that it's quite a bit of difference, eh? It's kind of like the light from a fire at night. It's an amber orange glow, kind of. And after you've had these on for a while, you're like, ah. They honestly relax your mind. And so, you know, if you think about it from an opposite side, an opposite point of view, from someone that's like working at a grocery store where it's really bright. You know how it's really bright at the store with all of those ultraviolet lights shining, those huge bulbs, and it's just crazy. And imagine if they replaced all of those bulbs with lights like this, you know, I mean, you can't see as good. You can't see details as good. But I can still sew with a small regular bulb, which is what's in there, you know, and I prefer it. It's just so much nicer to have these bulbs on versus those. And so if you're stressed and you want to reduce your stress, try them out if you want to just buy a couple of them. But I mean, it's less, but buying more, I bought 8 for $35, $40, something like that. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check them out. But they, I can't remember if I told you or not, but they reduced the blue light by 99.9 something, almost all of it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can. I'm not really worried about those kinds of things or views anymore. I'm making money in other ways, mostly selling my pillows and my products. But yeah, I'm really enjoying some time off right now, and maybe this kind of these bulbs may have kind of instigated me to just chill out, and I'm loving it. I'm really enjoying it. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you are also well. Bye. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like peering in from the outside. Doesn't that look like peaceful? Kind of wonderful in there. And then you can see my kitchen through the other window. Regular light, not as good.